Alright, this is my video response to Judge William Adams. Now, this man severely beat, it's not even beat, it's worse than beat. I can't even, this judge, a man of honor apparently, beats his daughter horribly for 7 minutes because of something she did on the computer. His disabled daughter. And I just can't wrap my head around the fact that a man who sentences people to justice can do this. And the police say that he would likely be charged with causing injury to a child or other assault-related cases for the 2004 beating of his 16-year-old daughter. But 5 years statutes of limitations bullshit. This is videotaped proof that he severely beat his child, and he still has another daughter. If you watch the first video, he still has another daughter. So you really think he's gonna change in that amount of time since he hasn't been sentenced? He should not be a judge. He should definitely not have kids. Hell, this man, I can't even call him a man. This slimy piece of shit shouldn't be anywhere near children. There should be some way that all the Americans out here, most of the Americans and most of anyone else who's seen this, anyone from a civilized country, anyone who has an IQ of more than 5, should be completely fucking outraged by this. And there should be a way to put this guy behind bars. I mean, now, I grew up swat on the butt, that's all, when I was a kid. That I don't really see a problem with, but just the severity of his crime should exceed the statute of limitations. They say, we believe that there is a criminal offense involved and there is substantial evidence to indicate that would be under normal circumstances. A charge would have been made, J. Rowe said. He said the district attorney determined that he could not bring charges and the police would discuss the case with federal prosecutors even though he doesn't believe charges will apply. Look, when the video was taken, she was 16. She's grew up in that home. She's now 23, by the way. And the judge issued a 3-page statement Thursday saying his daughter posted the clip to get back at him for telling her he would be reducing the amount of financial support he gives her, taking away her Mercedes. The statement did not include an apology for the beating, but he told Corpus Christi television station on KZTV on Wednesday, the video looks worse than it is, and that he already apologized to his daughter and he was just disciplining his child for stealing. Well, bullshit. The video did not look worse than it is. In fact, it's probably worse than the video makes it out to be. This guy is horrible. And financial support, yeah, he should be giving her financial support. He beat her, and I really don't think that's the first time. I mean, look at the way he was talking, and look at what he was saying. He wasn't saying it like it was like a first time thing. He's like, he wasn't holding anything back. He wasn't restraining himself. He wasn't being a parent. He was not being a parent, and he's just a horrible person. And just for his daughter. That must be just psychologically traumatizing, as well as physically and emotionally. Just every single day. People, does anyone else see anything horribly wrong with this besides me? I mean, yeah, the comments, but I didn't see any video responses, and we gotta get some sort of petition or something to get this guy at least arrested. And if not arrested, then he should not be able to be a judge anymore or have kids. People don't change like that unless they are forced to. It just makes me sick that a man could do that to his own daughter.